So this is a video explaining where the 1998 or 97 Toyota 4Runner, 4 cylinders. See here we got our motor, and we got our radiator fluid leaking out. Well, we just pulled it out so you could see. We pulled out the intake, as you can see over there, to access the back. The engine coolant temp sensor, right there. All the way in the back. It's on the head. That's emission getting to. You had to remove this part right here. It's clipped in all the way in the bottom. And we loosened the ground so it could get easier access. All the way in the back, right there, that gray part. See, there you go. Sorry for the dirty engine. Huh? Right there. And this is the part. $20. AutoZone. That's with lifetime warranty. These are our last. And that's it. That's where it goes. Complicated stuff.